we're in Livorno today, and last time we discovered Livorno by foot, this time by boat. Let's go explore. So this boat tour of Livorno that we're going to take today, it goes through the canals of Livorno, because there are canals that go through the city and under main piazzas. So that's where we're gonna take the boat today. We got our tickets for €15 each, and we're going to be getting on this boat right behind me for a 1-hour tour. Okay, the first stop on the tour is the Old Fortress, and it was originally run by the Medici family. This district that we're going through right now is the Venice district because it resembles the canals of Venice so much. When we first started the tour, we saw the Old Fortress, and this is the new one behind me. And it's mainly for, it was built for the purposes, more of a purpose of defending and also for commercial purposes. So we're literally going under the main piazza of the city, the Piazza Repubblica. I'm really excited about this because the last time we toured Livorno by foot, we were in the Piazza Repubblica and we noticed, hey, it looks underneath, it looks like you could see boats going by under there. So it's cool. Finally, we were able to figure out a way to get underneath by boat. Enjoying this because often you tour Italian cities and it's quite strenuous walking around, so this is a great alternative to do something less strenuous. You get to see a lot of history and enjoy it all sitting down and just watching it pass by slowly. If you liked our boat tour in Livorno today, please like and subscribe. Ciao!